I do like your little lights. They're adorable. They help you get to the mall on time.
Duck collection. Get a shot of that.
Look. Oh no.
Yeah.
All this street cred.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. That's so nice. Good morning, guys. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I probably got about 5 hours of sleep last night. I was up late packing the Jeep. I've been busy with work, so I didn't have time to do it before yesterday. We're about to leave to head to Drummond Island. It's about a 10-hour drive, and we plan on camping, and the weather has turned this week, so it's going to be raining, I think, pretty much the whole time we're there, and the highs are going to be like 49 degrees. So I'm not super excited about it, but I'm kind of committed to the trip at this point. So we'll see how that goes. If it gets too brutal, I might end up finding some place to rent up there, but at least the first night we're probably going to be camping, and I'm probably going to freeze to death. Also, I've never really done a lot of camping, so it's going to be a little bit of a baptism by fire. But the Jeep's all packed up. We're about to head out. I'm making some coffee. I'm going to bring you guys along so you can see what happens. Hopefully I live. Met up with the boys a couple hours ago, fueling up, getting food. Mike! Why'd you make that face?
Are we live?
Look, yes, we are live in a few weeks. You're kind of a big dog, aren't you? Think you're the best? Think you're the best around? Andrew, you alcoholic?
He's not enough.
I do like your little lights. They're adorable. They help you get to the mall on time.
Duck collection. Get a shot of that.
Look. Oh no.
Yeah.
All this street cred.
Oh.
This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. Not even on the island yet.
We're in the ocean.
Don't make this weird, but I want to pet your tail. Oh, that's nice. That's so nice. Almost to the ferry. We had to pull over real quick because this was a fantastic spot to get pictures. Can't really see. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. On to the ferry. It's what an angry bird. The ferry has arrived! It's only mildly terrifying. Funny, the videos I've seen, the people were right here too, and somehow I ended up in the same spot. All loaded up on the ferry, only a little bit terrifying, but now we get a quick little ride. Gotta say, this is the first time I've ever taken my car on a boat before. A little different, a little different. We're on the move. Navigation. Okay guys, so I didn't have a chance to film a whole lot. We just wanted to rush and kind of get to camp and get camp set up while we still had light. Here's my Jeep. I'm the little tent in the back. We have Mike here with his rooftop tent, and then Andrew's over here with the quick setup Gazelle tent. That tent's really cool, except for it takes up a ton of space because it doesn't break down that small. It stays pretty long. It's like 4 to 6 feet long or something still. It's pretty long. Obviously a rooftop is awesome, and I do plan on getting one at some point. Just a much smaller version than that because I don't want my TJ to just flip over at every wind gust. It's also absolutely freezing out here right now. The rain has kind of just been sprinkling, but it is cold. I'm not going to bother opening up the tent. It's just got an air mattress in there and a heater right now. But yeah, this is just the Coleman darkroom tent. It's not the warmest tent, I don't think, but it's going to do. I bought it because it was kind of cheap and I wanted to be able to sleep with if anyone had light around. I'd pop you up in Mike's tent, but he's not out here and I'm not climbing in his tent without his permission, even though I know he wouldn't care. But that thing's pretty cool and pretty comfortable. Andrew told me to give you a tour of his tent before he left, so I guess I'll open it up. He loves his little Gazelle tent. I think this is a zipper. Pop in. Ugh. He's got a ton of room in here, and you can stand up really tall. Yeah, it's just the only thing about it is it just doesn't break down that small. So if you got room for it, it's great. If you don't, and you're in a tiny TJ like me, it's not so great. We were gonna go a little more primitive, but it's cold as hell, and Andrew has an electric heater, so he wanted power, so here we are. And it's late, so tomorrow we're gonna try and maybe scope out a better camping spot, or, you know, a more kind of not campsite camping spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and run inside and eat because I've barely eaten all day. And yeah, I'll get back with you probably in the morning because after we eat, it's gonna be too dark to show you anything. So stay tuned and we'll start hitting some trails tomorrow. This is where we're staying. They just had this cool old Jeep out here on display. Wanted to show you real quick. That's some good quality. Look at that. That's impressive. What'd that cost you? Tens of dollars. Ugh. It is 8 in the morning. We survived the night. It's like 40 degrees out. Making some coffee. Waiting on Andrew to wake up. I'm gonna go shake his tent here in a minute. It was a cold night, but it wasn't bad. Andrew, don't shoot. It's not a bear, it's Justin.
Oh shit. Yeah. Well, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock, Andrew.
Oh fuck.
We already did one trail. Where you been?
Were you guys been awake the whole entire time, or you guys just woke up?
I mean, we've been up for a little bit. Mike's tent's almost totally down.
Shit, my bad.
Were you cozy?
Yeah, it's so fucking warm and cozy in here.
Are you naked?
No.
Do you want to be?
I'm unzipping now.
I'm unzipping.
No, just kidding.
Oh, you got a dual layer. I'm coming in. Hello?
The fuck?
Alright, bye. You left that open all night? Was that cold?
No, I didn't feel shit. I was drunk.
Oh, good for you.
Oh, sorry you were recording again.
It was cold.
I wasn't drunk.
It was Kool-Aid. It was cold as hell in my tent. ASMR. Sizzling the crackle. Come on, put a little seasoning on it. Oh.
I don't even know what that is. Is that pepper?
That looks like pepper. Does it smell like pepper over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're doing great. Tell us what you have here, Chef Andrew.
It's eggs and meth.
There goes my family-friendly channel. I'm going on a nature hike while my moist biscuits and gravy gets moister. It is beautiful out here. Definitely the right time of year to come when the leaves are changing. Okay, we have just made it to kind of the trailhead for the south route to Marblehead, and that should be the Badge of Honor trail. So I'm gonna go ahead and air down real quick and then disconnect my sway bar. I don't know how necessary it is, but it'll be a little extra comfort and a little more articulation when we're climbing the little rock ledge over there. I've got these little guys, which are pretty nice. You can kind of set them to what PSI you want to air down to, and then you just screw them on and let them do their thing. Alright, now I'm going to disconnect my sway bar, and if you don't know, that'll give you a ton more articulation with your front wheels. Okay, I had to stop the camera. That was a two-hander. This one should be much easier. That bracket on the other side is just like right in the way. Piece of cake. So, pull this up a pinch. Get that on there. Ow! Ooh, that's like a mouse trap every time it does that. I know I'm making it look like a struggle, but it's normally not this bad when you have the extra hand to hold something out of the way. It's harder with the camera. I also smacked my knuckle a second ago with the hammer, so Now my finger hurts and my knuckle hurts. There we go, and that'll hold those in. This is the official start of the south route to Marblehead. Let's see what these fools are up to. It's definitely loose walking on it.
Yeah, really loose.
You still in too high? Winch point number 1.
It's going too high.
Oh! There you go.
Good?
Yeah, you're good, man. Just get a little wheel speed going up. There you go. You got a big rock right there that you're gonna go over. Go, 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 go.
It's like shoulder now. That broken razor belt's a good for everybody there.
That was a fun little thing off the side of the trail. I think it was more for like razors and stuff, but a little obstacle.
With my luck, this thing is gonna fold and ride on me while driving over it.
What in the fuck neighborhood did we just pull up to? I think we all have to come to the conclusion we're gonna have to eat Mike. We all gotta get real cool about cannibalism real fucking fast.